Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have a trunk club unboxing. So if you'd like to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay, so let's see. Here's the return stuff. I want to keep this here so I don't lose it. Makes it super easy. Let's see. My stylist is Lucy. Have fun with these new pieces. Okay, so let's get to the burrito. Okay, one of these things is a cover-up. There's a pair of shoes I'm super excited about. Okay, so the first thing is, if you're new to my try-ons and unboxings, I open everything up, give my first impression, and then try everything on. So just so you're aware, if you're new, so these are Caslon. Freaking really don't like Caslon stuff. These are the utility shorts in gray ebony for $45. These, I never wear shorts like this. So this is something that replaced an item that I didn't want. So again, some things I didn't approve, like I didn't get to view, which is again that element of surprise. But so I never wear shorts like this ever, but you never know, I may love them, you never know. Okay. Ooh. This is by Chelsea 28, and this is the tie front dress gray urban 69. This doesn't look gray. This looks olive green. But this is something I think I did approve because I thought it was kind of interesting, but I wasn't quite sure how it would look. It's got an interesting like hemline, so it's kind of longer on one side, so you never know, it could be cute. Sometimes I think that tie front is really trendy, but it's also can be really flattering, so that'll be interesting to try on. This is by O'Neill, and I really like this. I love the color, and it's the left cover up. It's $49.50, and I just thought it was super cute. Like, I love that color. It's short. I love short cover-ups because again, I'm short, so I'm hoping this is good because I really, really like it. Okay, next up is Gidget. What the heck is Gidget? That must be, oh, these are cut from the cloth. Okay. These are the Gidget denim cutoff shorts, and they're $59. These are actually pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like these. They're short. I typically like a distressed, but these look like they could be really, really comfy. So these might be a win. We will see. Okay, next up, this is Brass Plum. And this is a strapless maxi dress in green, $49. This is something that I approved, but I wasn't sure I'd love it. It has a cinched waist, strapless, just because I'm so over strapless. If you have a big chest, when I was younger, I made it work, but I'd rather be comfortable than it look, you know, have this kind of style. Like, I wore strapless all the time, but I freaking hated like wearing a strapless bra. And so at this point in my life, I'm just like, if I'm uncomfortable, it's a no-go. So who knows though, maybe the fit will make me want to wear a strapless bra. Okay, I love this color. This is beautiful. This is Gibson, and this is the Gibson and High Sugar Plum Seaside Soft Jersey Lounge Romper, $54. Oh my gosh, I love this. Oh, it's so soft. I love the color. It's a romper. So I'm excited to try this on. Rompers can go either way. Super great or super bad. So let's see. Okay. This is by Leaf. This is the, I actually just got one of these in the mail. The Leaf bodycon tank dress in green. It's $45. These are cute. They're kind of like a basic. Everybody has these. I have them. It is really cute. I just got the one that kind of, is this, oh yeah, the exact one in black. I think they're on sale right now too on Nordstrom's.com. So I probably won't get that one. I try not to get multiples. things like this. Ooh, I really liked this one though too. This is by Leith also, and this is the ruffle sleeve shift dress, $49. It says red, but this is not really red. It's a really comfortable material, just a shift dress, v-neck, flutter sleeves, short. I love this type of dress. I think it's cute. You can make it casual. It's so comfy, but you could dress it up with a pair of heels. I love it. I love this color, so I'm hoping that looks good. Okay, the last thing is, this is by Leopard, and it's the v-neck jersey match dress in red. This is $68. It's cute. It's pretty basic. I don't think this is something that I would fall in love with, but it's cute. Okay, there are some shoes and there is a hat. Let's try the hat on now. My hair is up. This is a packable hat. I don't really love the brim, but you never know. We're gonna try this on later at the end, so I don't feel like taking my hair out of a bun, because you guys have the bun where like it may look good like right now, but if I tried to recreate it, it would look awful. So these I'm really excited for. These are actually one of the things that I was super excited about. No, those are not them. Those are not them. They're these ones. This is Madden. And these are the Steve Madden Leopard calf hair slides. The Alexandra slide sandal, 7.5, $69.95. And I think she gave them to me in a different color, but I love this leopard. I have a pair of Steve Madden ones that are like a pointed like slide that I love, and I love just dressing up in a plain black, like plain black dress, throw on a pair of leopard shoes, somehow it makes it fancier, right? So I'm so excited. These are for sure a keeper if they're the right size. I'm pretty consistent 7.5, but if not, you can always exchange the size. And you guys, so this was something that she had like maybe given to me in tan, and when I was reviewing my trunk, I went in to see what other I love this shoe, but I wanted to see what other colors there were. And so when I saw the leopard, I changed the color to leopard. And so that's one of the nice things too. You can change, like if you like a style of dress, but you're like, oh, I don't really like that color, you can go in and see what other colors, pick a different color, and that's what they'll send you. And then I thought these were kind of interesting. These are the Sam Edelman Asha slide sandal in the natural buff leather. They're $99.95. And they're these, and I was like, ooh, maybe I can get down with these. They look super comfy. They kind of remind me of like Birkenstocks. I love my Birkenstocks. I wear them all the time. Got a few pairs, so I just thought this could be kind of fun. And this kind of like this kind of like sole and stuff like that is kind of on trend right now. My friend got a pair in her trunk club in white, and they had the ankle strap, and she couldn't tell if they were like too clunky, and she always sends me pictures of what she gets in her trunk club. But she was kind of saying, I think they'll get dirty, and she wasn't sure about the ankle strap, and so I kind of showed her a picture of the ones that I was supposed to be getting, and she's like, oh, those might be a little bit better. And so I'm gonna try this on and see, and I just love a nude sandal. Okay, so let's get to the trunk club. We are off to a good start. So this Leith dress is adorable. It is so comfy. I loved the flutter sleeve. It's just a really fun detail. I love the color. Here's making me look crooked. If you are short, it is a very good length. I'm 5'3". I love it. And again, it's something that I feel like, you know, you can wear your hair up, cute earrings, flats. You can wear, you know, flip-flops, be super casual, but this is gonna be something like I could wear it at dinner and be super comfy. I love it. Okay, I actually really like this dress. I think it's super flattering. And I didn't think I was gonna like it, you guys. So it's this one. It does this, which I think is really flattering. And then, Lola, you scared me. And then it's short, and then it just longer on this one side. So again, Lola. Something you can dress up or, you know, dress down. So I super love this. I do like the color. I would prefer a different color because I do have a few dresses in this color. So if not, I think I'd keep it in this color though, because I think it's just so flattering and so cute. Okay, I wanted to love this romper, but it doesn't really do anything for me. I am really straight in the waist, so I just kind of feel like with it. Okay, so here's that green strapless one. Again, I'm not big on strapless, and it's okay. I tied it up here at the bottom. It has a good slit because it's long, but again, it's really comfy if you're into wearing strapless bras, but I just am not. It's just not my thing at this age. I don't want to wear a strapless bra. So, and I mean, the cut is good, but it's not my favorite. So, all right, so here's this red one. It's too low, and my boobs end here, and they're supposed to, it cuts me off in the middle of my big boob problems. It's really long. I love the color, but the girls all went into this one. So okay, you guys, I am not going to try this one on. I love it. I already know that, but I have it, and this is a really comfy dress. I guarantee, like, so many people have this, like so many people. I actually think she's tried to send me this before. It's a really nice flattering cut. It ruches on the side, so if you have tummy issues like I do, great. And it has this like hem like this, and it's surprisingly not short, but it comes above my knees, and I really do like that. So I feel like it's a really common dress. It goes on sale all the time, so I typically pick one up at some time. Leaf is I want to say it's a Nordstrom's brand, but I don't know, but it goes on sale all the time. I think they're on sale currently. This cover up from O'Neill it's life. It's so good. I love something that's fuss free, and I love the color. It's short on me, which I love. It's such an easy throw on, and I do love coverage on my sleeves. I really love this, like, so much. Like, I think I'm gonna get a black one too. If they have it in another color, I think I'm gonna order another one of these because I love it that much. So it's so good. It's so good, you guys. So comfy. Gosh, my hair is looking worse by each try on. So here is the shorts. They're okay, you guys. Nothing I feel like I have to have. They're very comparable to what I already own. I have about 4 pairs of jean shorts, so it's not a necessity, but could be cute on someone. Shorts are too small, but I would never wear shorts like these. Never, never, never. But on to shoes. I kind of like these. I kind of wish they were in a different color, so I might get them different. I love the gold detail. I think they're so cute with shorts. So maybe, yes, these ones by Steve Madden are far too small, which sometimes happens with the slide. So I'm gonna try and see if I can get a bigger size in those because they're really, really cute. So yeah. All right, so here is the hat. Actually, it's pretty freaking cute. However, the brim is just, maybe I want it a little bit wider. I don't know. It's kind of small for my head. I can't really tell. I actually kind of I might kind of like it. This might be a yes. I can't tell. What do you guys think? Actually, I wish you guys were like here. I could hear what you think. What do you think? I don't know. I actually kind of like it. So it's adjustable on the inside. Here's the adjustable string that you could probably see. But anyway, I'm gonna do another trunk club before I head to Y, so subscribe if you'd like to see that. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.